We have our work cut out for us today. Hopefully I'll be able to do it in a 3 to 5 hour session. That's what these sessions usually take me. And I'd be surprised if this one takes less than 5 hours. Measuring out yesterday's distance, it's about 16 feet. And what's more fun than axe throwing by yourself or with one other person at one target is having two targets and different axes. So this area here is going to have to be cleared, and then I've got to change. I like that structure there, but I'm going to have to cut through it and change it to put up a target there, and that's about 18 feet. So yeah, so it's going to be some clearing, digging, cutting, and constructing, all of it. So and it's quite a bit of an area to clear. It's pretty thick in there, and then I've got to move the sand too to provide an area to throw from. Let's go. I'm gonna really try and work smarter, not harder today. And when I see big roots like this one here, I'm gonna just wait until I can use a chainsaw, which will be about an hour. And then when I see these smaller roots, I'll dig them. So in the past, I've done a lot more digging, but yeah, just gonna, and I think that'll help with the speed. Like that one I could just pull out. So yeah, here we go. Oh, and that one too. Look at that. And my battery got low, down to 1%, and it's not charging out here. I think it's just too cold. So, and I've just been digging and clearing, and I didn't want to take it inside to charge. I mean, I guess that would have been the better idea. So I just brought out a battery pack, and I'm going to dig out this last root, and then try and show you the 18-inch chainsaw at work as much as I can. All right, let's go. Alright, so cutting this, I'm going to have to cut about 4 feet out, long ways, and about 2.5 feet across. So it's going to be pretty serious. Hopefully the 18-inch chainsaw can handle this. Just have to go for it and be patient. Just for perspective, so you can see, this is what we'll be working with. Yeah, so by the way, I took a short break, went inside, got something to eat, and charged my phone, and sure enough, it charged fast. So it was definitely the cold weather, and I'll have to be mindful of that moving forward. Yeah, that worked out well. So, of course, that's not all of it, but if I do it in small sections, we'll get there. Chainsaw's off the track. Gotta adjust that. This is what it's been like, quartering smaller and smaller pieces as you get deeper into it. And it's after 12 now. That's why these projects have been taking 3 to 5 hours each session. Yeah, you just don't know what you're going to expect. I thought for sure with the 18-inch chainsaw it'd be a lot faster, but it's just, the wood is as hard as it is. I mean, there's nothing you can do. Just take it piece by piece. So, almost there though. I would like to get more of this right here, but I don't know if I'm going to take the time to do that, because I do have enough room for another target, so I'm thinking it over. We'll see. Went back to the 14-inch. The 18-inch has burned through both of its batteries, so I have them charging, and you could tell how stiff the wood is with the sound of the 14-inch. So it's I don't know if I'll get this done today. 4 hours, and we cleared except for the big log that still needs to be cut back some, and we can't do anymore. I'll tell you why. Gone through all 4 batteries. Yeah, no more battery power. I have 2 in there charging now, but they're not ready yet, so we'll continue this next time, and I'm very confident that next time we will finish setting up this second target.